I'm going to talk to you about finding a real estate agent, why you need one, researching properties and touring, and finally, lease negotiations and purchase negotiations.
I'll talk about how to prepare, plan, and organize your personal finances when you are starting out on your own private practice.
So let's learn how to determine the health of our practice. After that, we're going to discuss ways to determine the costs of your practice. And then finally, we're going to talk about how to apply this information to detect and prevent fraud.
This talk is for doctors who are fed up with the overregulation of patient care, the increasing cost and stress of business ownership, and the ever-persisting decreasing payments we get from insurance.
And I'm excited to teach you the ins and outs of how to build a thriving referral network and Facebook group in order to continue your journey of building your practice and becoming a well-known and established practitioner in your field.
I'm here to talk to you, a doctor who may be starting your own practice, on how to build in compliance efforts and strengthen your negotiation tactics, because I want you to make money and I want you to stay safe.
I'm really looking forward to talking with you about creating and retaining a high-functioning team, something that is so important in today's healthcare market.
So this will not be a talk about pros and cons and the to-dos, but more about the psychological and emotional things that undoubtedly come up as you reach certain barriers and hindrances that come up.
I'm so excited to have you joining us. I can't wait to get you motivated about marketing yourself as a professional in the world of today.
I'll talk to you about the third space that's developing now that allows you to form a virtual corporation and use your practice skills in a virtual environment that allows you to thrive without having to worry about managing overhead, managing a staff, or even managing a building.
And my talk is going to be all about the billing process. We're going to talk about things like the claims process and risks that offices can miss in that, and so you can watch out for those and help improve your practice. And we're also going to talk about top mistakes in credentialing and those key metrics you're going to want to monitor in order to increase your revenue in your practice.
I got 7 big tips for you about how to overcome your fear and move from your medical practice now into a private practice. So pick up your head, get over your fears, find your passion, and let's get going.
And in my talk, Preserving Your Marriage While Growing Your Practice, I'll share 3 distinct skills that when you use them, you can create and maintain a long-lasting, passionate marriage while becoming a very successful practice owner.
In my talk, called Creating a Vision and Applying It to Build Your Practice, is going to help you streamline your process and create the practice of your dreams.
You can position your practice to work as the blue ocean strategy practice and stop trading the value you provide to patients for cost.
I'll be giving a lecture on how to be a small fish in a big pond. I'm going to teach you how to learn your value and your worth, how it is you get paid and what you actually cost, what the 3 C's are, and how to train your sniffometer and know when to leave.